Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then here in this left section tap on the display. Now let's scroll down to find the screen timeout option. Let's enter, and as you can see here you've got some options from which you can choose. So the first options, like 15 or 30 seconds, which is currently applied, are quite short options, and 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So in order to change the screen timeout you have to simply tap on the option like use, and I will pick 5 minutes for example. It is immediately marked. And after getting back you can see that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.